How to Spell Tricky Words Using Backstacking, Volume 2, Multi-Syllable Words. Hello again, students. Back again so soon? Wonderful, because there's always more to learn. Now we're going to work on using backstacking to help us remember how to spell words with more than one syllable. I'll say that again. We are going to use backstacking to help us learn how to spell words with more than one syllable. Let's take a very important word that has 3 syllables. Now I'm just going to write that here. E-L-C-T-I-O-N. Election. Election has 3 syllables. Election. Now, what's going to help us backstack this a little bit more efficiently, a little bit more easily and quickly, is breaking it up into those 3 syllables. You probably learned how to do this in school, but if not, let's do it together now. What is that last syllable? Election. Shun. Where does shun begin? Well, I know that it's this pattern over here, the T-I-O-N. So I'm going to put a little break here. Shun, elec. Lec is number 2. So let's make sure we break that right before the L. And then E, our very first syllable, is all set, hanging out on its own. A single letter. So now we're going to backstack each of these syllables kind of like it's its own word. So shun, from the back, N, O-N, I-O-N, T-I-O-N, shun. Now let's see if I can remember just that much. Shun. T-I-O-N, shun. Let's do lec. Okay. C-E-C, L-E-C, lec. L-E-C, lec. Let's see if I can put those 2 syllables together. Lection. L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Cool. And I'm just going to copy lec down here so it's on the same line as shun. So I'm putting it together, one brick at a time, from the back to the front. Final syllable, which is the first, is, oh, it's just E. E. And I'm going to bring that down to the bottom line. Election. Okie doke. Let's see if I can do all 3 syllables from my brain. E-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Election. E-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Election. So, not that different from using backstacking for 1-syllable words. We can just use our rules of where we break syllables in spelling and treat each syllable like it's its own word. Backstacking is a really flexible way to memorize anything. You don't have to do it 1 syllable at a time. I like to because it helps me organize things into even, well, more specific pieces, but you can use backstacking in whatever way it works for you. That's one of the most important things you can learn about learning, is learning how you learn. Good work. This has been Backstacking for Learning to Spell Words with More Than One Syllable. Keep up the good work. See you next time. This has been How to Spell Tricky Words Using Backstacking, Volume 2, multi-syllable words.